Good morning, warriors. Here we are on a trade recap from last week's ping pong trading, where we took some trades live during this FOMC session. Start with hit that subscribe button and like the video, and please comment if you like this kind of recaps, and I will do some more for you. So if you don't have the patience to look through the whole video, this is your time and your way. You can look at this upspeed version where we hunt liquidity on a 15-second chart. So we work with the liquidity that we have on a bit higher time frame, like the 5 minutes, mark out highs and lows equal highs and lows. Then we go down to the 15 seconds and hunt those. And we work with the statement if then this. So if we take out the equal highs on the 5 minutes, then we will go for shorts to reach for the equal lows on the 5 minutes, something like that. And this is to build your narrative for the trading session. You build a plan before, you look out the targets, and you decide where your bias are, and you think like this: if this is the price is doing this, then I will do this. So here we see a trade I took long on the 15-second charts. I work with the fair value gaps and going for the 5 minutes fair value gap on the upside here. We just took out London high, so it's a bit tricky here. You can see the trade management here. We have two highs, and I thought we will make another high like the three soldiers pattern, but this will be a loss. Boom, the FOMC went in. So now we have a range. We have these candles, high and low, and we have the wick on the upside and the downside to work with. The upside we work for to see how we react on this. There we get a reaction. We're going for the wick on the downside, and I decided to go short here to target that one. You see my plan with the arrow. I will move up my target here because I thought it might not reach the low of the wick. I wanted to work with the wick CE, even though this became a loss too. We just generated equal lows, you can see here on the 15-second chart, and that we will use in trade later on. So we use the wick CE and the equal lows as a short target after this run up that took out our stop. So two losses here, but remember, the losses are always smaller than the wins because we use the 1-to-2 ratio here, and we work with the CE of the upside right now again. The pink fair value gap quadrants. We're working now with the 830 opening price. There you have me again. Price is breaking down. Displacement, fair value gap. It's a short setup for the CE with the equal lows. And this is perfect because you can work with the 15-second chart like the daily chart. That price is fractal, so you can by doing this you get some reps in. If you can analyze the 15-second chart, there you have a win. If you can handle the 15-second chart and read the market there, you can read the daily chart. And on the 15-second chart, obviously you have a lot more of opportunity to do that. So this is a perfect way to warm up for your trading session, like the AM session. You can sit before the AM session and work the 7 to 8:30 and just hunt the 5 minutes equal highs, equal lows, and go down on a 15-second chart and trade the fair value gaps at the direction you want. So now we're working the low of the wick, breaking up a bit here. If we get the displacement above here, we can get a long in perhaps. If we leave these equal lows, the wick with that new wick. Yeah, we broke some highs, but yeah, so here I think we might go up, but it's just a liquidity grab. I went up here, but I changed my mind here. Change direction of the trade. I see it was a liquidity grab to go to the downside, and in hindsight I could say that was a stupid mistake to try to go long there, because we haven't worked the lows yet and we are so close to it, so it probably would be that we take out those first. This will be a win again, so we have 2 wins and 2 small losses. We're going into a macro here too, and we will get our win in a bit here because the price is working these lows first. And after this trade we are finished for this session with 2 big wins, at least 1 to 2, 1 to 2.5, and the losses were about 1 hour. So this is how you can work on the pre-session and get some reps in. And if you like this, hit the subscribe button and like and comment, and I will do more for you. I think this is quite fun to do. So thank you and see you later.